Welcome everybody, this is Biostatistics Made Easy, and in this episode I'm going to cover some Excel shortcuts and I'm showing you the meaning of frequency. As I have written in the book, there are some differences between PCs and Macs, and it's really advisable to get to know your keyboard. If you are a foreign student, you will have to use a Hungarian keyboard at the exam, if the exam, of course, is on computer. And that's why I have collected the most important shortcuts in PC and concerning Mac computers as well. So that's why this table is here. I'm not reading all of this aloud, it's just for you to see, and feel free to stop the video and take a look at all the information that I've gathered here. There's one important piece of information that I want to mention. In this case, this is using the function in a block, so the block function. This is done by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Enter. And here pay attention that even though you're using a Mac and even though Command substitutes Control in 95 or 99% of the cases on a Mac, here you also have to use the Control button on your Macintosh computer as well. And now let's take a look at bin widths. So here I am, and these are my bins. The difference between bin and bin width is a small one, because the bins are these numbers here, and the bin widths are always the difference between the bins. So in this case the bin width is 10, because 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, and so on and so on. And how to use the frequencies and the frequency function. Let's start typing the Excel function frequency in, and let's select the data array. Of course, Command Shift down arrow, and the Command Shift arrows function can be beneficial for us in such a situation. After I'm done with that, I'm not pressing Enter at the same time. However, I press Control, Shift, and then the Enter, and as you can see, I've got my whole block of cells selected beforehand. So I started the whole process by selecting more cells, and then I'm typing in the frequency function, and then my last move is the Control, Shift, and Enter key combination. And I'm getting the frequencies of 5, which is logical because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers from 0 to 10, also 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from 10 to 20. Of course, this includes 20 as well, and so on and so on. And if I want to insert a graph, which is nothing special, just go into Insert, Recommended Charts, or Charts if you want to use another type of chart, and insert the chart here. This is also a histogram. Of course, for this you are going to see another example in the book a few pages later. This is just a really simple example of self-made frequency table. Here on the x-axis you can see the bins, and on the y-axis you can see how many numbers or how many data appear in that bin or in these bins. So that was all, and thank you for watching. If you want to see more material on statistics, stay tuned. Goodbye.